Hi, let's install Unity Hub. First, go to Unity Downloads page. Click in Download button. Then, open the installer and proceed with the installation wizard. Once the installation is complete, the Unity Hub app will be automatically opened. If not, you can start it. Now, we need to sign in with our own account by clicking on the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, you can create one. You need to fill the form with your information and accept the terms, and later verify your email. Now you can log in with a valid account, accept the terms, and if succeed, it will request to open Unity Hub again from your browser. Open it. Congratulations! Now you are successfully connected to Unity Hub. It will ask you to agree to your license terms. Click in the Agreed button. Now, you can install the Unity Editor's version of your choice.